Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious mint rice. First, gather your fresh mint, rice, and essential spices. Next, prepare a vibrant mint paste. Then, we'll cook the rice perfectly with this aromatic mixture. Finally, you'll learn how to serve your delightful mint rice as a perfect side or a light main course. It's a simple and flavorful dish everyone will love. To begin, you'll need 1 cup of good quality basmati rice, which we'll soak later. For that signature flavor, prepare about 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves. Don't forget your aromatics: a small piece of ginger, a couple of garlic cloves, and 1 or 2 green chilies for a little kick. Also, have some cooking oil, salt, and a few whole spices on hand. Now let's get cooking. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and gently sauté your whole spices until they release their aroma. Next, add the prepared mint, ginger, garlic, and chili paste, cooking it for a few minutes until fragrant. Stir in your soaked basmati rice, a pinch of salt, and the appropriate amount of water. Bring it to a boil, then simmer until the rice is fluffy and tender. Once your mint rice is cooked, gently fluff it with a fork to separate the grains. For an extra touch, garnish with a few fresh mint leaves or some crispy fried onions. This aromatic rice pairs wonderfully with a cooling raita, plain yogurt, or your favorite curry. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, ready for another delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.